Sick of these frauds, sick of these broads. Load up the chopper, I'm killing them all. You could get mopped up if you get involved. If I'm getting locked up, I'm in for the haul. Pulling my socks up, I'm ready to brawl. You getting socked up, I'm breaking your jaw. Who do you got? They ignoring your call. Loading them up cause I'm ready for war. Filling with hoes if you act loud. That's what we showed up in Pack Town. Friend or a foe could get smashed out. Don't snitch it on foe, we don't back down. A bitch or a hoe could get maxed out. Leave my dick in the throat till she pass out. Before I dip my kids in the damn mount. Now she pissed that I hit and I bounced out. Little trick used to live at your man's house, but you trip like I did something bad now. Go get you some joy, get you a toy, get you a boy's gonna worship the koi. I ain't the one, I'm having fun. Busting a nut in my enemy's love. Ain't with the Cubs, don't hit me up. Less is gonna be for a friendly fuck. Devil's in my ear, and I hear as he whispers. But fuck living in fear, so I stay near to my pistol. Bullets ain't an issue, little homie. A wrestle with the devil's gonna last your ass forever, little homie. The devil's in my ear, and I hear as he whispers. But fuck living in fear, so I stay near to my pistol. So I stay near to my pistol.